March 23. Celebration ng birthday ni Kirk, 4th birthday.
Happy birthday, Kirk David.
Today is March 19, 2026. Tingnan ako ng face mo, Kirky.
Oh, let's open.
Ano yun naman? Special lang.
Special naman na.
Di ba special din?
Oh,
Asan yung iba?
who's that? Who's that? Okay. Open, open. Hindi ko alam kung naman yan. Ano yan? Wow! Pasok sa budget! Ayan.
Parang mukha ni Kirk yun, no?
Asa? Adali na.
Hindi yan panglabahan.
Lamig na eh. Ang dami. Kirk boy. Happy birthday. You know? Right. Okay.
I don't want to wear this.
Napakadami ha. Don't like? Are you sure? Wow!
Nauna pa kasi tayo.
Ay.
Who's that? Wow!
Ay.
Hindi kita. Wow.
Wow!
Oh, yan. Wipe your mouth.
What's that? Ay, may ilaw nga oh.
May ilaw, oh.
Ayun oh. Pang Tita Kevin na natin. Open na.
Open it.
Oh.
Pamatay ng lamok.
Five-year-old version.
Oh, baby, the shower, baby, baby.
Pwede sa harap. Jurabox. Oro ka.
Oro ka na. May pangalan. This side up here.
Christmas tree nga. Double burnal na kalan yan. Double burnal. Parang masaya rito. Sabi na si Kasi.
Bagyo.
Walis tambot tsaka das pa.
Magja-jamming kayo ah.
Parang kami regaluhan.
Parang yung tatay yung masaya.
Orakin mo na lang.
I'm rocking, rocking, pin.
Okay,
Ten, Pwede sa alam din, because you know the almasen. Tawag, ikaw na ba? Diba? Oh,
Roller and the rock and roller, rock and roll, rock and roll. Let's rock and roll, rock and roll, rock and roll. Come on, rock and rock and rock. This is mine. No, this is mine. This is mine. I don't know. This is mine. Never. With the friends I have.
Sige pa rin, no?
Mommy.
Oo nga, no? Yung tatay mo. Uy!
Naku. Naku.
Go. This is for you. It's a labo.
Wala, mahla. Tingnan mo kung ano.
Play-Doh.
What do you think?
Oh!
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Gagi! Gagi! Oh! Goodbye! I go to school.
Wow! Ganda!
Two, three, four. We're talking away. I don't know what I'm to say. I'll say it anyway. Today's another day to find you shying away.
Where are you going?
I want to go to the whale shark.
Where? Are you going to the Manila Ocean Park?
Yeah.
Naligo siya mag-isa. Nagbihis siya mag-isa. Siya nagpili ng damit niya, ng shorts niya, napakaikli. Ayan. Kasi pupunta siya sa... Where are you going?
Whale shark.
Whale shark.
Lola.
Baka pupunta. Ayo. Ha?